Did you know that right now your bones may be becoming weaker and you absolutely do not feel anything? Osteoporosis and its younger sister, osteopenia, are silent enemies. They act slowly, gradually taking away the density of your bone tissue until it becomes so fragile that a simple fall, a tighter hug, or even a coughing fit can cause a fracture. Many people think this is a problem exclusively of old age, but the truth is that bone health is a lifelong construction. Imagine that your bones are the foundation of a house. If this base is not solid, the entire structure is at risk. And the consequences are not small. Loss of mobility, chronic pain, and a constant fear of injury can undermine your independence and, frankly, your joy of living. But what if I told you that an important part of the solution to strengthen that foundation could be right now in your pantry? That nature has given us powerful tools, small in size but giants in nutrients, capable of strengthening your bones from the inside out? In this video, we are going to discover together the 8 most powerful seeds to build and maintain stronger and more resilient bones. I will detail the superpowers of each one, explaining which nutrients they contain and how they truly work to protect your skeleton. And most importantly, stay with me until the end, because after we get to know these 8 wonders, I will teach you how to prepare a powerful mixture that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. With just a few spoons per day, you will be giving your body the essential building blocks for healthy bone structure for the rest of your life. Let us begin this journey to stronger bones. Our first star is sesame seeds. Often seen only as a garnish for bread, this tiny seed is a treasure for bones. Its great advantage? An impressive amount of calcium. Sesame is one of the richest plant-based sources of this mineral, making it a fantastic alternative for those who are looking for options beyond dairy products. Calcium is the main brick of our bone matrix, providing rigidity and strength. But sesame does not stop there. It is also an excellent source of magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc. Magnesium is crucial because it helps activate vitamin D, which in turn improves calcium absorption. Phosphorus works together with calcium to maintain bone integrity, while zinc is essential for the production of collagen, the glue that regenerates bone tissue. For women in menopause, sesame even offers phytoestrogens that can help balance hormones and maintain bone density during this phase. Next, we have chia seeds, a superfood that has gained worldwide fame, and with good reason. For our bones, chia is a true all-in-one package. It is an extremely rich source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, the trio of indispensable minerals for bone health. What really sets chia apart is its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid. Chronic inflammation is a major villain of bone health, as it can accelerate the loss of bone mass. The omega-3 in chia has a powerful anti-inflammatory action that helps protect bone cells. In addition, its ability to form a gel when hydrated makes it extremely versatile to add to yogurts and smoothies. If this video already seems useful to you, show your support. Our mission is to help more and more people live with health and independence, but for that we also need your help. Give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. This way YouTube can show this content to those who truly need it. Thank you. Similar to its cousin chia, flaxseed is another nutritional powerhouse. Its fame comes from being one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 in the form of ALA on the planet. This abundance of healthy fats makes flaxseed a powerful weapon against inflammation that can damage bones. In addition to omega-3, flaxseed provides calcium and magnesium, which directly contribute to bone structure. One crucial detail: to take advantage of all its benefits, flaxseed must be consumed ground. Its shell is very resistant, and if we eat it whole, it simply passes through our digestive system without releasing its nutrients. Therefore, grind it in a coffee grinder or blender before using. Think twice before throwing away pumpkin seeds. These green and delicious seeds are one of the best natural sources of magnesium and zinc. While calcium takes all the fame, magnesium is its silent but essential partner. About 60% of the magnesium in our body is in the bones, and it is fundamental for converting vitamin D into its active form, allowing calcium to be well absorbed. Without sufficient magnesium, the the calcium you ingest may not reach where it is needed. Zinc, also abundant here, plays a key role in bone mineralization and in the production of collagen, the protein that forms the flexible structure where minerals are deposited. A handful of pumpkin seeds as a snack is a delicious way to guarantee these two minerals. Sunflower seeds are not just a snack, they are little guardians of our bone cells. Their great power comes from their high content of vitamin E and selenium, two strong antioxidants. Our cells, including bone cells, are constantly under attack from free radicals, which cause oxidative stress and accelerate degeneration. Vitamin E and selenium neutralize those free radicals, protecting bone cells and reducing inflammation. They also provide a good dose of magnesium, making them a complete food for maintaining skeletal health. Who would have thought that those black seeds we usually throw away are actually nutritious? Although they are not as dense in nutrients as the others on the list, watermelon seeds are a surprising source of minerals such as magnesium and zinc. As we have already seen, these two minerals are fundamental for bone health. Consuming these seeds is a way of making 100% use of the fruit and adding a small but valuable boost of minerals to your diet. The best way to eat them is to dry and toast them, which turns them into a crunchy and delicious snack. Grape seeds are perhaps the most concentrated source of antioxidants on our list. They are extremely rich in compounds called oligomeric proanthocyanidins, which are among the most potent antioxidants in nature. Oxidative stress and inflammation are factors that directly contribute to the degradation of bone tissue that leads to osteoporosis. By fighting these two processes, the antioxidants in grape seeds help preserve the integrity of bone cells and slow down skeletal aging. Normally consumed as an extract, they offer concentrated protection for your bone structure. Our last superstar is hemp seeds. For bones, their benefits come from two fronts: minerals and high-quality protein. Hemp seeds are rich in magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, all contributing to bone density and strength. In addition, protein makes up a significant part of bone structure, about 30% of its organic matrix, forming the collagen network that gives bones flexibility and serves as scaffolding for minerals to attach. Hemp seeds are a complete source of protein, providing the building blocks your bones need to continuously regenerate. Now that we know our 8 heroines, it is time for what matters: how to combine them for maximum impact. I will teach you how to make a super versatile seed flour that you can use every day. Ingredients: 1 cup of sesame seeds, white or black, 1 cup of flax seeds, golden or brown, ½ cup of raw unsalted pumpkin seeds, ½ cup of raw unsalted sunflower seeds. Preparation: grind the flaxseed. This is the most important step. Place the flax seeds in a blender or coffee grinder and pulse until you obtain a flour. Do not grind too much so that it does not turn into butter. Prepare the other seeds. Sesame, pumpkin, and sunflower seeds can be used whole to give a crunchy texture. Combine everything. In a bowl, mix the ground flaxseed with the other seeds. Stir well until it is homogeneous. Store properly. Keep your powerful mixture in a glass jar with a tight lid, preferably in the refrigerator. Since the flaxseed is ground, its oils are exposed and can oxidize. The cold helps preserve freshness and nutritional potency. The goal is to consume 2 to 3 tablespoons of this mixture per day. The possibilities are endless. Sprinkle over yogurt. Mix into your oatmeal. Add to fruit smoothies. Sprinkle over salads for a crunchy touch. Incorporate into soups or creams. That is it. With just a few spoons of this mixture per day, you will be providing your body with an arsenal of calcium, magnesium, zinc, omega-3, antioxidants, and proteins. The fundamental building blocks for stronger and more resilient bones. And remember, this is accessible, simple, and does not require any medications, only your daily choices. Remember, taking care of your bones is not something to worry about someday. It is a daily action. Every meal is an opportunity to strengthen your structure and invest in a long, active life with more independence. My bones are strong, they support my freedom and my mobility every single day. If this video has given you value and opened your eyes to the power hidden in these little seeds, support me. Subscribe to the channel so you do not miss more health tips that can transform your life. And more importantly, Share this video. Think of someone you love. Your mother, your father, a grandmother, a grandfather, an aunt, or a friend who needs this message. By sharing, you may be helping them have a future with more health and mobility. Now I want to hear from you. Write in the comments, which of these seeds do you already use, and which one are you going to start including in your routine after this video? I will be very happy to read your response. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.